Playlist playback policies. With Adhere Frequency policy, the media plan is generated in compliance with exact frequencies of all campaigns. The airtime can be not entirely booked, or it can get overbooked. To solve the problem with empty time slots, you can use Exceed Frequency policy. That way, campaigns will appear on screen more often than their frequency and will fill all the airtime. With Ignore Frequency, all of the ads will be played one after another, no matter the frequency. It's a kind of a regular playlist, but generated according to the ad settings. You can use Decrease Frequency to solve the problem of overbooking. That way, campaigns will appear on screen less often than their frequency, but all of the ads will appear on screen at least once. Don't forget to generate media plan when you send the updates to screen.